Now SLP is looking pretty good, still looking pretty good, pretty damn good. It's only that it's not still breaking the neckline. We really need SLP to break the neckline. Yesterday again we talked about it, and you have this left shoulder, the head here, right shoulder. It's so damn beautiful. But the problem really is that the neckline is still not being broken. And you can see it's getting rejected at the moment. It's trying to actually backtest the neckline, still getting rejected, backtesting the neckline, still getting rejected, and that's not something really good. Okay, that's not amazing. All you want to do for SLP now is to backtest this level, come down for the retest, and then you're good to go to 539. Who knows, after this retracement we could actually just make a very small retracement to 425, come up here again in during the weekdays, which is a good day to trade, and then move up here to that price level by first week of next month, probably, which is going to start in a few hours. Right now we do have like 16 more hours to open up August, so we're going to see how that one goes. So at the moment it's all suspense, but I do reckon that SOP shouldn't come below 416. If you do come below 416, that's going to be invalidating this inverse head and shoulder all in all. And then you're going to be creating something very, very different and weird, but that's not going to be a bullish pattern at all. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. So let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be OP, which is at the moment like, this coin is going to be my darling favorite coin in the next coming few days. At the moment I'm really keeping an eye on this one, really keeping an eye on it. So you've been overextended, you've pushed to the moon, you've really gone high, but it actually hits every single damn thing you need in a coin to trade. Okay, so number one, I talked about this saucer bottom, and this is where you're breaking out. It needs the retest down here at the nearly $1.3, and then you're looking, if you do backtest successfully, the technical target is up here to $4.3, right? This coin is so damn good in every single damn angle. It just needs a successful damn retest, and we're about to actually take off. Literally take off. Number one, you have three white soldiers, okay? Number two, you have the saucer bottom here, which is a bullish pattern and a reversal pattern to go to the upside. Number two, you have amazing volume. Look at that volume. Amazing volume, which you never even pretty much you never had it before. Volume breakout, resistance breakout as well. Come for the retest, and that's amazing. Okay, the volume is check. The next thing to talk about it is going to be the monthly time frame. So look at it. Bullish engulfing candlestick. You're making the bullish engulfing candlestick, and that actually means on a monthly it's freaking damn bullish, and it can actually go to 4.3 on a monthly time frame. It's amazing. All it freaking needs is a retest. Okay, and we're pretty much now putting an evening star right now, and I do expect in the next coming few days you can actually retrace for the next 2 or 3 days, come down here, maybe on the third day, fourth day, start to reverse a little bit, and then take off, move up to that technical target. I'm looking to actually take this trade anyway. So let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be SHIB. So let's talk about SHIB.